Here we go. Alright, Julia, you want to see how I try doing this?
It's okay.
Okay. Let's give it a shot. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to connect this up, otherwise it's not going to stay in there. Huh. Oh well, it's just going to have this bit is going to have to be missing, and maybe this bit is going to have to be missing. I can connect this one up. There. But this thing is going to be in the air. It's not going to put out. Alright, let's do the rest of this. And this thing is not going to turn out as well unless I connect it. But that's okay. Let's make this a little bit thicker. Alright. Oh yeah, I just realized we're gonna have to connect this up, otherwise it's not gonna work. Go. And this is going to have to go too. So I've had to take a little bit of liberties with the design, but it's only to make it doable. Let's try this. Let's put here. This is going to be a little bit complicated. I have some constraints here as well. You didn't know anything? Yeah, I don't think we can do this because I need a smaller nozzle. But, yeah, I don't think we can do this detail. It's too... We can try to slow it down. I don't think it's yeah, I don't think it's going to be legible. I think it's going to be very legible, unfortunately. But let's hope the rest works out. Hey, Julia.
Yes? Yes, sir.
How you doing?
Good.
What you doing?
I'm riding my bike.
Oh.
I'm on my way to school.
You're on your way to school. Wow. Are you riding your bike all the way?
Yeah?
It's quite the ride.
Okay.
Have fun.
Okay. This time I'm not going to park just the difficult way.
Okay. What's the easy way?
I'm just going to park like this.
Okay.
Like the front wheel is in the back wheel, in the front, in the back of me, and the back wheel is in the front wheel.
The front wheel is in the back wheel. I'm not exactly sure what you're trying to say.
No, the back wheel is in the front wheel.
How does that work?
No, the back wheel is in the back wheel, is in the back of the garage, and the front car of the bike is facing the front side where it's facing right now.
Mm-hmm.
I was having to be at school, Dad.
Okay.
Bye.
Work hard.
Hey. I have a map to get back home.
You have a map to get back home?
Yes?
Oh, okay. This way you don't get lost, right?
Yeah. And you want to see my map once I get back home?
Okay, sure.
And
Show
it
me
has
that.
2 cars. 2 beautiful cars. I got stuck here. This bike is really stupid. Shoot.
And sadly, that's the best detail I can put on that. We'll have
I'm
to
trying
do.
not to break my bike.
Try not to break your bike. That's a great idea, right?
I just need to do something that's
Mhm.
good to not break my bike, but I need to do something that's very, you want to see me? Want to see the map?
Are you making a map?
I already made a map
You
last
already
fall.
made a map. Oh. And then you brought it home.
Yeah.
Does it tell you where to go?
Yeah. I'm not at school anymore.
Right.
I came back to school because I'm like, I think I miss my daddy.
Oh,
Can I
okay.
go back home and my brain said yes?
You have a very smart brain then.
I work really, really hard. And
I know.
I'm like, I'm too sweaty. I don't want to go outside because I'm already sweaty. I don't want to get sweatier. You made a mistake there.
No, this is for the stand. If I don't make this, then since this is a 3D print, if I don't make this, it'll have nothing to stand on. I know, but the letters, right? The letters will look funny.
Yeah.
I know. Well, there are some, as I said, there are some constraints when you're making things in 3D. It's not like when you're drawing on paper. If you want it to exist in a third dimension, then
Daddy, what?
you have to. Make sure that it can stand. There we go. Almost done, okay? If you're hungry, you should go have breakfast though.
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry? Okay. Then you can wait until I finish this real quick. It's almost done.
How about the other high five head?
You can still play with it, right?
No, how about the other high five head?
Yeah, you can play with it. Do you still have it?
How about the other hand that you have a 3D print out?
You have that, right?
No.
What did you do to
This
it?
one.
Yeah, what did you do to it?
No, I don't. I have the other hand, but how about this one that you have?
Oh, you want me to make a new one? I can make a new one.
No, but that's my other hand.
You want me to make the other hand?
Yeah.
That's easy enough to do. There we go. There we go. Should do it. The last letter, right, Julia?
Yeah.
And then we're going to say hi to our buddy,
Who?
Joel, the 3D printing nerd. And he's awesome, right? And he always, what does he do? He always entertains us online. It shows us all the awesome tips on how to do 3D printing. So there we have them. I hope I don't break this though. Come on! Because these are like little tiny pieces in there. Flimsy. But I hope it stays together. Yeah, I know, right? It came out pretty well. Even the head, which I was a little bit worried about. It's so little. Details are so fine in there. I'm worried about breaking this part here with the letters. Come on, don't break. Maybe if I do this, it'll be better. Not sure. Come on. There. And there we have them. Probably easier to see if I turn the paper the other way. Maybe do this. Alright. Or, let me see. This other piece of paper. Ugh. No. Never mind.
What?
I'll get a better piece of paper later. But anyway, here he is. Here he is. Fantastic. Oh, let's put it upright. High five! Right? Julia, you want to bring your cute hand over here? You want to do this? Like this? Can you do this? High five! There. Right there. High five. Whack. There. Done.